Cayenne pepper, known scientifically as Capsicum annuum, is a potent herb revered for its medicinal properties throughout history. Belonging to the nightshade family, this fiery spice is not only a staple in culinary traditions, but also holds a prominent place in herbal medicine due to its remarkable healing capabilities. Growth and habitat. Cayenne pepper is native to Central and South America, but is now cultivated worldwide in warm climates. It thrives in well-drained soil under full sun, requiring consistent warmth to flourish. The plant grows up to 3 feet in height and produces elongated, tapered fruits that vary in color from bright red to yellow, depending on the ripeness. Harvesting and identification. Harvesting cayenne peppers involves plucking the ripe fruits from the plant when they reach their full color and maturity. The peppers are then dried and ground into a fine powder for culinary and medicinal use. The plant can be identified by its bushy growth, lance-shaped leaves and clusters of small white flowers that precede the fruiting stage. What makes it so powerful? The potency of cayenne pepper lies in its active compound, capsaicin. This compound is responsible for the pepper's characteristic heat and provides numerous health benefits. Capsaicin has been extensively studied for its analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties, making cayenne pepper a versatile herb in traditional and modern medicine. Medicinal uses. Please note that this video is intended for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment or illness. I recommend consulting a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary medicine before trying anything new. Stopping bleeding. Cayenne pepper is a hemostatic agent, meaning it can help stop bleeding. When applied topically or taken internally, it promotes blood clotting and can be used in emergencies for minor cuts and wounds. Sore throats. Gargling with a diluted cayenne pepper solution can alleviate sore throats by reducing inflammation and providing temporary pain relief. Colds and flu. Cayenne pepper's warming properties can help clear nasal congestion and promote sweating, which aids in reducing fever and expelling toxins during colds and flu. Poor circulation. Consuming cayenne pepper stimulates circulation by dilating blood vessels and improving blood flow throughout the body, thereby benefiting cardiovascular health. Achy joints, arthritis, muscle strains. Topical applications of cayenne pepper cream or ointment can provide relief from joint pain, arthritis symptoms, and muscle strains by reducing inflammation and desensitizing nerve endings. Tonic and immune booster. Cayenne pepper is a natural tonic that supports overall health and boosts immune function due to its rich antioxidant content. Diabetes and blood sugar control. Research suggests that cayenne pepper may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Warnings and precautions. Handling cayenne pepper requires caution due to its intense heat and capsaicin content. When preparing or handling the herb, wearing gloves is recommended to avoid irritation, particularly for those with sensitive skin or mucous membranes. Ingesting large amounts of cayenne pepper can cause gastrointestinal discomfort or exacerbate existing digestive conditions. In conclusion, cayenne pepper stands as a testament to nature's healing prowess, offering a wide array of medicinal benefits from wound care to cardiovascular support. Its centuries-old use in traditional medicine continues to be validated by modern scientific research, highlighting its effectiveness in promoting health and well-being. Whether used as a spice in cuisine or as a therapeutic herb, cayenne pepper remains a powerful ally in the quest for natural healing and vitality.